as you can see even here, Gusba just dropped like I think like 2 days ago. I guess it's an EP. Because I think like there's like 4 songs. I guess Gusba is those type of nigga who, even though they don't market their songs, but like anyway, like Gusba, even though he doesn't market his songs like that, he didn't market it like, but the album will still slap. Even though he won't do like those numbers that we're expecting it to do, because if you can see even this one, like it's having 7.3K views. Like it's not like those are big numbers for Gusba, because we all know Gusba how big he is. So these are not the numbers, you know what I'm saying? But I don't lie, bro. I'm just impressed by the run that Gusba is having. For real, for real. Like it's having like a beautiful run, and it's been long. It's been a minute since this guy is having a run. Bro, you feel me? So we just have to see what will happen when it comes to him. Like even when it comes to his career, bro. Like just look, even the growth on him, bro, is like it's incredible. Like it's kind of like right now he's sitting like on 19K. I guess it's like pretty numbers with 23 views, with 23 videos. I guess it's like really, really good numbers. So let's go here. Let's go and check out the shit that he just released. Kids. Oh, so it's 5 songs. So it's 5 songs. So it's 5 songs. Okay. 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 Skip, 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 skip. So I guess it's just the thread. I guess Naya Gusba maybe Ojita deliberately when it comes to Uri. I release this nimble like asking market this album. But I feel like Gusbandi and Tia for non event like he can release the album anytime he wants, you know what I'm saying? Like sifuna china kufuna nyokurelease ngacho release. There's no one better than Gusba. Ndiye muthu like is currently like on the spot nkumwana. Ana muthu ane atotori kumambura muthu apa venda anga vachikufira umuna, if you can check like literally. And don't compare him with Mizu, because of Mizu is on another level. So ndiye nalitovona ngari ndiye nanti ane mini ringari yavele ndiye muthu anti. So I don't know, bro. This album I haven't checked it out. So I'm literally the a copyright, but let's just play it. I don't know, bro. If you wanna copyright, you wanna copyright. What the fuck? Why is it not playing, bro? Is it play? This is what.
Kanye, wanna take you there, wanna take you there.
Damn. Fucking hell. So he just released this album, Kanye West. You see, Donna. Whoa, bro. Whoa. So Kanye West just released like this album, like Donda 2. So I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yes, it's releasing. I don't understand Kanye West, bro. Like for real, for real. This nigga just released an album without like any major distribution to back him up, bro. Like, but he's still doing some crazy numbers, bro. Like, even for him to do for this, I ain't gonna lie, bro. But like, it's big numbers because of he's doing it independently, and there's no one who's helping him, bro. If for real, for real, it doesn't even show who is who is releasing this music. The copyright is just like Yeezys. I don't like Kanye West like different type of person, bro. Like for real, like this guy, like bro. It's not like other people, like bro. Like for real. Like just check who can release an album without any major backing from the record labels where they are gonna promote him. Because of this Donda 2, just be I movie I market you. It was just released, and it was released not on the days of when the albums must be released on Friday. No, it was released on Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, bro. Luri, what was he thinking? Or what is he trying to achieve? But I'm gonna lie, I saw that on his first week it did 5.2k units, but which when we convert them to a week is gonna be like 25k or 20k. But I guess 20k first week numbers for Kanye West, I feel like it's like small numbers, bro. For real, for real. Because of Kanye West are the people who like when we were talking about them, they will be doing like quiz numbers. I guess like it's those type of niggas who should be doing like your 50k like in a week. Even 50k is like still like small numbers. I guess like it's trying to do. He's supposed to do like your. How can I say? How much can I say? Kanye West can have to do like in its first week. I feel like maybe if he's doing like over 100k, because of if you can check like right now, it's hard for people to sell over 200k. You can check like even though just imagine if Drake is selling like 200k, 150. How like Kanye, even though Kanye has like a hardcore fan base, but like Drake is the guy, is the goat, he's the sixth god. So if like him is selling those type of numbers, I don't know, bro. These niggas, how many numbers will they do? You know what I'm saying? Because right now the search it is like the Spotify has cancelled the bots. So I guess it's every man for himself. Like literally right now, if you got no numbers, it's time for us to see. If you were botting numbers, right now we will see that you were botting numbers. You know what I'm saying? So we will see what will happen to them. So I don't lie, bro. I guess Kanye West should just have to see what will be with him. You know what I'm saying? He's a different type of guy, Kanye West, bro. Like, he ain't like these other guys, bro. Like, for real, for real. Like, he ain't like other guys, bro. For real, for real. Oh, we just have to see. Did did Big Egg react to his album? Where is TJ Academics? No. Mm, What the fuck is it, bro? What the fuck is it, bro? Hey, yeah. Hey. What the fuck is this thing? Why I'm not finding it? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, let's just go to the page 30. I guess we'll find the video there. Let's go there. I just will find the video there. Uh, let's go here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I saw him talking about it. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What the fuck is that there? I watched it. Oh yeah, it's this one. It's this one. Let's see. Let's see. Why is it slow the network? Come on, bro.
Wait. Motherfucking Chris Jenner, man. I rebuke y'all in the name of Jesus. Allow my man Ye to raise his black children. Y'all white heathens should not be allowed to control a black man's child and involve them in all type of demonic debauchery to corrupt innocent souls. Shout out to Ye, man. Great intro. Okay, so Donda 2 got released. Let's look at the date. April 29th is now the 1st. So because
Shit, I didn't open my mic. I guess that's why they were saying like it was gonna do. It did like those numbers. Oh, because of it dropped during the week. So that is why they're saying their sales are affected. You know what I'm saying? Tell you
it was released
this
during the
network
day,
shit.
it has only one full day of tracking, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this is really fucking good numbers for one day of tracking for an album not even dropped under Kanye's moniker. It's an album dropped under Donda. Donda literally has no monthly listeners. Look, well, now it has because the first day, so it's gonna have as much as each unique people.
You see what I was saying? He just dropped it like now on the other platform. But look at his numbers, bro. Look at his numbers, monthly listeners, bro. Like in a day, bro. Like look on the Spotify. These are decent numbers, 700 and something. You see, these are decent numbers because of he is independent. There's no one who is backing him up. That is why I'm saying these numbers are pretty good. You know what I'm saying?
People were to listen to the project, but the mere fact that Ye could just drop an album on a different moniker that's not Ye or Kanye West is crazy. Now, this is how a lot of people, there's some ghetto people who do projections. This is how they do it. Sorry. Some of them do it by just kind of like literally, wait, here we go. Just kind of going over the amount of plays and the amount of songs. And yeah, like just basing off of this, and I'm gonna be honest with you, Ye would have probably sold 20K or 25K if this was dropped on a Friday. Even
So Ye is supposed to drop 20K first week? Damn, bro. Like, the numbers are crazy, bro. Like, their numbers are crazy. I'm expecting Ye to sell more than 100, bro. Like, for real, for real. Because it's Ye! Because it's Ye! Ye is supposed to sell more than 100K units first week, bro. For real, for real. Because I'm looking at it at a standpoint of like, it's Ye. He got a hardcore fan base, and it's been a minute since he's been on the game, you know. So that is why I'm saying, yo, bro, this guy was supposed to sell more than 100K, not less than 100K, bro. Like, I ain't not impressed, bro. Like, for real, for real. Come on.
with no announcement, just based off this is first day numbers. So first day numbers for Ye, if he had dropped right on a Friday and he had 7 days of tracking, he would have been on pace to sell 25K just because he dropped it. Now, because he dropped on a Wednesday, and he's gonna have he dropped on Tuesday, so he's gonna have Wednesday and Thursday, so 2 full days of tracking. He's gonna sell about like close to 10K just based off these streams if we extrapolate onto other streaming platforms and whatever. Which I know people are gonna be like, yo, Ye fell off. Like, no, this is really fucking impressive. He made a fucking new handle, made a new Spotify account, dropped this shit, and the shit already is booming. It just kind of goes to show Kanye is pretty much the guy, okay? By the way, thank you guys for all the gifted memberships. I appreciate it. Right? Now, if you get a clearance, or you get me to waive my rights, or however that transaction or whatever happens, you can have it up forever. Now, Ye didn't send me a fucking paperwork. Now, here's the thing. I love Ye. I would never do that. I love Ye. It's my guy, right? Me and Ye, we got a little relationship, okay? Not the cousin relationship, but we got a little relationship. Never do that. But because they dropped this shit, and I know there's no lawyers. Like, I'm in the music business. I know I talk to entertainment lawyers all the time. Because none of that shit happened, I said, Big Ack ain't gonna trip. Because I love Ye. And I stand with Ye. Give Ye's kids. However, you think you're gonna put on X? Don Tolliver?
So Kanye West did not clear off his songs, bro. So he just released them with other people's samples. He did nothing. Like, he didn't even like try to even like, let's say, try to even like have it like do something. All he just did, he just went and did it and just released the album with other people clearance. He didn't even give a damn to ask them for their work. You just go and do the song with other people's clearance. And I don't lie, bro. This guy, I guess, is giving them like leverage because of if they release songs without them giving them his clearance, most of the time, they won't do what the amount of money that he was supposed to pay when he wanted to clear the song. I guess it's gonna be more because of if it's less, let's say before this album drop, let's say they will say we want to for you to give you this clearance of the song, we'll give you, let's say, 20K. But because the song is already out, and if the song is already out, there's no fucking way that they're gonna just let him use it, because if they know that the people already listen to the song. So he wouldn't want the song to be taken down. So it gives them leverage for them to discuss even more money, to increase even it, to even ask even for for percentage. You know what I'm saying? Because they know that they have a leverage because of the album is now out, the song is now out, and it didn't even use like one person's thing. I guess they are saying it's used like more than 4 people as clearance, which is need to do. But in his mind, he's saying like, yo, bro, people trying to sue me. The people who I teach them how to make beats. Yes, you teach them how to make beats, but this is the music business, bro. Like for real, this is the music business. You ain't supposed to just do it like for real, like just like yo, I'm doing it. You have to do it with the business side of it, which is to clear the song and let them niggas know that you are using their samples, and the song will be out rather than what he's doing. But I ain't gonna lie, it's Kanye West. What can we do? That's him. That's his style. He do whatever he wants. No one's telling him nothing, bro. For real, for real. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I want some shit. Um, uh, come on. Facebook. I don't know. My network is kind of like fucking crazy, bro. Like for real, for real. Like for real, for real. Like my network, I don't know, bro. Like my network, most of the time, it's always like kind of slowly. I don't know, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Come on, bro. Why the fuck is this just like this low, bro? Like for real, for real. I want us to talk about the Metro FM awards, bro. Like I even saw like regional producer complaining about it. So I just have to see what is happening. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I was thinking it could be done. Okay. Come on. It's kind of like slow, bro. Network